So at the end of every class, we will have a classwork assignment to reinforce the concepts that we learned during that class. So the first classwork for Chapter 8 covers the concepts that we've learned, the static variables and methods, the equals, the toString, and the copy constructor. So basically, I want you to follow the steps here. You know, you're going to create a class called car. It's storing the make and year. You're going to add a static instance field called cars created that's going to keep track of how many cars have been created so far. And you'll just follow the steps here to do what I'm asking you to do. Now, once you write your code and you get it to work and run in NetBeans, the next step is running it through HackerRank. So on Blackboard and even on the slides, you will see that there's a link to HackerRank. And if you don't have an account on it, the first time you go to it, you will be prompted to create an account. You can create an account with any account, email address that you want. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be the, sorry, I just clicked on the programming assignment. It doesn't have to be your school email account. So here, let's go to Classwork, Chapter 8, and the first one. So let's click on the link. And I'm logged into my HackerRank account. So it tells me to enter the contest. I will say enter, and it will show me the classwork assignments for Chapter 8. So there are 3 of them. We're doing the first one, so we say solve challenge. And if you're new to HackerRank, the first thing I want to show you is that when you come here, this is empty. You want to change the language. So right now it's set to Python. I want it to be Java. And we'll just use Java 8 because this is the closest to what we have. And it gives you a space. Now, our class is called bank account, for example, or car, whatever it is, and then your code. So you're going to basically copy your class from NetBeans into here. So you can copy the whole file. You know, you can do Control A selects everything, and then Control C to copy. Make sure you don't copy the package line. If you copy the package line, things are not going to work. It's not going to work in HackerRank. So you should copy everything in this file except the package line. And then when you're done with your code here, you click on Run Code. And what's going to happen, it's going to show you what your code printed out versus what it's expecting the output to be. And here there are 2 test cases, and you see that it failed both test cases. So here it shows that my output is nothing, and this is what it's expecting it to output.